Hi, I'm doing another product review for you today. This time about these dark light black nitrile powder free examination gloves, large, non-sterile, single use only. There are 100 gloves in here. Dark light. When you need to have some light come into your darkness, that's what that could mean. Well, anyway, these are black gloves. And I wanted some thicker disposable gloves. So I chose these. I bought them from Amazon Prime. They are actually thicker than the other ones that I made a product review about. These ones are 9 mil. Yay! Let me show you what they look like. I actually bought large and extra large for when I need them even thicker. Then I can put a large on and an extra large on top. If I need them even thicker, I use one large and 2 extra large for the ice cold water so I won't get arthritis. Let me show you how they fit. They're pretty thick. This is the large size. They come in different sizes. 9 mil. Not sterile. I learned the lotus dance. Makes me think of it. The fingers, I don't know if I can do it. That's the flower. The lotus dance. I'm just not quite good at it yet. But that's a silly review. So that's it for the gloves.